first thing, if you move to New York and you want to be a Broadway drummer, you got to open up your scope, because even that's a small world, right? So if you want to be a drummer in New York, you should be able to play a funk gig, a hip hop gig, a Latin gig, a big band gig, a Broadway show, a rock show, a singer-songwriter gig at Rockwood. Like, there's no reason you shouldn't be able to do all of that stuff. Right?
What MDs and orchestrators and contractors are looking for these days are people who can, again, like, create energy in the room through playing, through their drumming.
I just want people to be happy when I'm not there, because the last thing you want is to be on vacation and get a call from the conductor saying you got to come back from vacation because we don't like your sub.
Something a drummer should never do in a Broadway pit. I would say never assume anything. No matter what show you're playing on, whether it's a tour, a Broadway show, whatever, don't assume anything. Always ask first.
When you're playing drums in a Broadway pit, don't play what you feel. Play what's appropriate.
It's all about consistency, I guess, when you're playing, the way the setup is, the way you sound, the way you play songs, you know. That's why when you sub, you want to sound like the chair holder consistently.